This video has one main goal, which is to teach you how to create a professional client proposal using Canva. A client proposal is a structured document that explains an idea, project, or service to convince someone to approve it. Whether it is a business proposal, project proposal, or freelance proposal, most of them follow a similar structure. The goal is simple. You explain the problem, present your solution, and show the client why you are the right person for the job. Before designing anything inside Canva, it is important to understand the main sections of a proposal. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's start with the title page. This introduces the proposal and usually includes the title of the proposal, your name or organization, the recipient or company, and the date of submission. This helps the client immediately understand what the document is about. Next is the executive summary. This is a short overview of the entire proposal. It briefly explains the problem, your proposed solution, and the expected results so the client quickly understands the main idea. After that comes the problem statement. This section explains the issue that needs to be solved. For example, a company may have low online visibility, inefficient bookkeeping, or poor customer engagement. Identifying the problem clearly helps the client understand why the proposal matters. Once the problem is clear, you present the proposed solution. This is where you explain what you will do and how you plan to solve the problem. Be clear and practical so the client understands your approach. You should also include objectives, which are the specific goals you want to achieve during the project. Then explain the methodology or plan, where you outline the steps of the project, the tools you will use, and the general process. Of course, every proposal should include the budget or pricing. This section explains the cost of the project and the payment terms so the client understands the financial side of the proposal. You can also include a timeline showing when each phase of the project will happen, followed by a short section about your qualifications or experience to explain why you are capable of doing the work. Finally, end your proposal with a conclusion or call to action. Encourage the client to approve the project, schedule a meeting, or contact you to discuss the next steps. A simple way to remember this structure is that a strong proposal answers 5 questions. What is the problem? What is the solution? How will it be done? How much will it cost? And why should the client choose you? If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Once you organize these sections inside Canva and combine them with a clean layout, you can create a proposal that looks professional and is easy for clients to understand. If you want to learn more Canva techniques for creating documents and client materials, check out the next video and keep improving your design skills step by step. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.